What if the dream home you've been chasing is actually the thing holding you back? Big house, multiple rooms, expensive finishes, a 30-year mortgage. That's the version of success most people were sold. But here's what's interesting. Some of the smartest, most financially aware, and forward-thinking people are quietly walking away from that model entirely. And instead, they're choosing something that most people would never even consider living in. A curved steel structure, originally designed for the military. A Quonset hut. Sounds crazy at first, but once you understand the reasoning behind it, it starts to look less like a weird alternative, and more like a smarter way to live. In this video, we're going to break down exactly why intelligent, strategic thinkers are choosing Quonset hut homes. Not just to save money, but to gain something far more valuable. Freedom, control, and a completely different way of living. And there's one reason in particular. Most people don't realize that might completely change how you think about housing. We'll get to that later. Let's start with the idea we've all been conditioned to believe. That a real home has to look a certain way. Rectangular structure, wood framing, shingled roof, expensive materials, and most importantly, a massive long-term mortgage attached to it. But if you zoom out for a second, that model starts to look questionable. You're spending hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions, on a structure that requires constant maintenance, can be damaged by fire, pests, or weather, and often locks you into decades of financial pressure. So the real question becomes, is that actually the smartest way to live? Or just the most common? Because once you see what a Quonset hut home offers, especially the one advantage most people overlook, you might start to question everything about what a smart home really is. Let's talk about the most obvious factor first. Money. Right now, housing is more expensive than ever. Materials are up. Labor is expensive. Timelines are long. And for most people, buying a home means signing up for decades of debt. Now compare that to a Quonset hut. These structures are built using engineered steel panels, often sold as kits. That means lower material costs, significantly reduced labor, faster build times. In many cases, the shell of the home can go up in days, not months. And here's where it gets interesting. Some people are building fully livable Quonset hut homes for a fraction of the cost of traditional houses. We're not talking about small savings. We're talking about life-changing differences. Because when your home costs less, you're not just saving money, you're buying back your time. Most people don't think about this. But time is one of the biggest hidden costs in traditional housing. A conventional home build can take 8 months, 12 months, sometimes longer. And during that time, you're still paying rent, mortgage, living expenses. With a Quonset hut, everything moves faster. The structure goes up quickly. You're protected from weather almost immediately. And interior work can begin without delays. That means you move in sooner. You stop paying double expenses sooner. You start living your life sooner. And for people who think strategically, that matters a lot. Now let's talk about something most homeowners underestimate. How fragile traditional homes actually are. Wood burns. Wood rots. Wood attracts pests. And extreme weather. It can do serious damage. Quonset huts flip that entirely. These homes are made from steel, which means they don't burn. They don't get eaten by termites. They don't suffer from mold or rot in the same way. And the shape. That curved arch isn't just for looks. It's one of the strongest structural designs in engineering. Wind flows over it. Snow slides off it. Pressure distributes evenly across the structure. In simple terms, it's built to last. Not just for years, but for decades. Maybe even generations. Now here's where things get really interesting. Because most people see a Quonset hut and assume it's limiting, but structurally, it's the opposite. The interior is a clear span design, meaning there are no load-bearing walls or internal support columns. The entire structure is supported by the outer shell. This gives you a fully open floor plan to work with from the start. That flexibility allows you to design based on function instead of being constrained by structure. You can create large open living areas, integrate kitchen and workspace zones, or divide the space into multiple rooms depending on your needs. Since interior walls are non-structural, they can be added, removed, or modified over time without affecting the integrity of the building. Vertical space is another advantage. The curved roof allows for lofts or partial second floors, maximizing usable square footage without increasing the footprint. The end walls are also non-structural, which means they can be customized freely. Large windows for natural light, full glass panels, garage doors, or standard residential layouts. This level of adaptability makes the home future-proof. As your needs change, work, family, lifestyle, the layout can evolve with minimal cost or complexity. Picture this for a second. You wake up in the morning to natural light pouring through a large front-facing window, filling the entire space without obstruction. The curved ceiling above you creates a sense of openness that most traditional homes can't replicate. There are no tight hallways, no segmented rooms breaking up your movement. Just a smooth, flowing layout designed around how you actually live. You walk across a clean, uncluttered space where every area has a purpose. The kitchen blends seamlessly into the living area. Storage is intentional, not excessive. There's less to manage, less to clean, and less to worry about. The temperature inside feels stable and controlled, thanks to efficient insulation. No drafts, no uneven heating. Just a consistent, comfortable environment. And mentally, there's a noticeable shift. You're not thinking about upcoming repairs, rising utility bills, or a long-term mortgage hanging over you. Instead, your space supports your lifestyle rather than controlling it. And that clarity, that combination of simplicity, efficiency, and freedom, is exactly what makes this way of living so appealing to people who think long-term. There are real examples of people who've built Quonset hut homes in a matter of weeks, not months. In many cases, the structure itself goes up quickly using pre-engineered kits, allowing owners to move straight into interior work without delays. This drastically shortens the timeline compared to traditional construction. Some couples have chosen this route specifically to avoid long-term debt. Instead of committing to a 30-year mortgage, they reduced their build costs enough to pay off their home within a year or two. That shift alone changes their entire financial trajectory, freeing up income that would otherwise go toward interest payments. Others have used the savings more strategically. With lower upfront and ongoing housing costs, they've been able to invest earlier, start small businesses, or create additional income streams. Some prioritize lifestyle flexibility, using the reduced financial burden to travel or work remotely without pressure. What stands out across these cases is consistency in how they describe the outcome. They don't frame it as sacrificing space or comfort. Instead, they emphasize efficiency, control, and reduced stress. The decision isn't about downsizing. It's about optimizing how resources are used to support long-term priorities. Now let's talk about the long-term impact. Because a smart home isn't just efficient today, it stays efficient over time. Quonset hut homes are primarily built from steel, which is one of the most recyclable and reusable materials available. A large percentage of modern steel already comes from recycled sources, and it can be reused again without losing strength. That means the core structure of the home supports a circular, low-waste system from the start. The construction process is also more precise. Since most Quonset huts come as engineered kits, materials are pre-measured and pre-cut. Energy efficiency is another major advantage when done correctly. With proper insulation, especially spray foam, the structure becomes tightly sealed. This minimizes air leaks, stabilizes indoor temperatures, and reduces the workload on heating and cooling systems. Over time, this translates into consistently lower energy consumption and reduced utility costs. So the benefit isn't just environmental in theory, it's practical. You're reducing waste, lowering energy use, and creating a home that performs efficiently for decades without requiring constant resource input. But here's where things really shift. Because this isn't actually about steel, or design, or even cost. The real reason the smartest people are choosing Quonset hut homes isn't just cost, durability, or speed. It's control. Control over their finances, because a lower build cost means less or no long-term debt. Instead of committing decades of income to mortgage payments and interest, that money can be redirected toward investments, savings, or income-generating opportunities. Control over their time, because a faster build process and lower maintenance requirements reduce ongoing demands. There's less time spent managing repairs, dealing with contractors, or worrying about structural issues that commonly affect traditional homes. And control over how they live, because the design flexibility allows the home to adapt to their needs, not the other way around. Whether it's a workspace, open living area, or multifunctional layout, the environment is built intentionally. Traditional housing often comes with hidden trade-offs: long-term financial pressure, continuous upkeep, and limited flexibility. These constraints shape daily decisions more than most people realize. When those constraints are removed, what replaces them is freedom, not as an abstract idea, but as a practical outcome. The ability to make decisions based on preference, not obligation. And once that level of control is established, reverting to a more restrictive model becomes significantly less appealing. So when you put it all together, the picture becomes clear. Quonset hut homes offer lower cost and faster builds, extreme durability and low maintenance, total design flexibility, energy efficiency and sustainability, and most importantly, freedom. Not freedom in some abstract sense, but real, practical, everyday freedom. Now I'm curious, when you look at a home like this, do you see something strange? Or something smart? Could you actually see yourself living in one? Because this is just one example of a much bigger shift happening right now. People are starting to rethink what they really need, what actually matters, and what kind of life they want to build. And in the next video, we're going to explore another unconventional home style that's changing how people think about living entirely. You might be surprised by this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.